Hello everyone, I'm John Joseph C. De La Cruz, and I discuss the rights and duties of a human person. The concept map of rights. What is the part of rights? Motion of rights, kinds of rights, characteristic of rights, civil and political rights, economic, social, and cultural rights. What is the part of duties? The meaning of duty, kinds of duty, exemption of from duties, conflict of duties, motion of right. Right is anything which owe or due. Right is the moral power bound to respected by others. Kinds of rights. Natural rights. Natural rights are fundamental universal rights inherent to all individuals by virtue of their humanity existing independent of laws, customs, or government recognition. Human rights. Human rights are basic standards of dignity that all people possess, from birth to death regardless of nationality, race, sex, religion, or any other status. Alienable and inalienable rights. Alienable rights are those that can be transferred, sold, or given away, such as the ownership of a house or a place of property. Inalienable rights are also known as unalienable rights, are fundamental human rights that cannot be taken away, transferred, or denied to a person. Let's proceed to juridical and non-juridical rights. Juridical rights are those legality recognized and enforceable for juridical system, meaning they are backed by law and can be claimed in a court of law. Non-juridical rights. Non-juridical rights are fundamental moral, social, or ethical entitlements that are not formally established or enforced by law. They are based on social norms, ethical principles, or political agreements but lack legal backing of official implementation mechanism. Civil and political rights. Civil rights. Civil rights protect individual freedoms like privacy, freedom of speech, and freedom from discrimination. Political rights. Political rights allow people to participate in government and public life, including the rights to vote, assemble, and form political association. Next, the Bill of Rights. A Bill of Rights is a written statement or a document outlining the fundamental rights and freedoms guaranteed to the people or of nation or any group, designed to limit the power of the government and protect individuals from potential abuses of power. Economic, social, and cultural rights. Economic, social, and cultural rights are fundamental human rights that ensure the basic condition for human dignity, such as the right of food, housing, education, health, work, and participation in cultural life. These are recognized in international law, most notably the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, and required governments to take progressive steps to achieve their full realization, respecting, protecting, and fulfilling these rights for everyone. The meaning of duty. Duty is anything we are bound to do or omit. And also duty is a moral obligation, incumbent upon a person to do, omit, or avoid something. Correlation of right and duty. The correlation of rights and duties means they are two sides of same coin with the right of one person implying a corresponding duty on another or on society. For example, if someone has right to payment, another person has a duty to make the payment. This concept known as the correlative of rights and duties highlights that rights and duties are reciprocally linked and often inseparable as the exercise of one's rights carries the responsibility to uphold one's duties towards another society. And let's proceed to reciprocity of rights and duties. The reciprocity of rights and duties is the principle that for every right a person or entity, ho- et- entity holds there is a corresponding duty or obligation and vice versa, creating a balanced and mutual relationship. For example, a child's rights to education corresponds to the parents due to educate them. This principle serves as foundation for peace and harmony in society and is a core concept in international law for preserving sovereign equality between states. Kinds of duties. Natural duties. Natural duties are universal moral obligations that all people hold as moral agents, binding them regardless of voluntary action, specific roles, or societal relationship. Unlike acquired duties, which are taken on through contacts, promises, or specific roles, natural duties are inherent to human nature. And positive duties. Positive duty is an obligation to take an active role in ensuring or achieving something rather than simply refraining from doing wrong. It is protecting a right and preventing harm. Duties are either affirmative or negative. Aff- Affirmative duties are those that require the performance of an act that performance can do or an act. Negative duties are those which require the omission of an act. This states that the omission of an act is totally required. Exception from duty. Exemption from duties relates to the obligation to pay duties, taxes, or other fees on goods or income that would normally require payment. This release is an official exception of privilege grants under specific rules or programs, such as special circumstances for individual international agreements for trade, or for specific types of goods like professional equipment. Conflict of duties. A conflict of duties occurs the individual has two or more obligations or responsibilities that are incompatible and cannot all fulfilled all at the same time, often forcing them to choose which duty to prioritize. This can manifest as dilemma between public and private duties, competing professional obligation or ethical imperatives requiring moral judgments to decide which duty takes precedence. And that's all. Thank you.